If you are tired of dark circles under the eyes, this video will help you a lot. Let's get started. Step 1. A teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil is an excellent source of vitamin E, which is very good for the skin. A teaspoon of honey. Honey has 9 types of vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin K. It works wonders for the skin. Mix time. Ready to use. You can do this with your finger. Take a little and rub it on your face. You can use it anywhere on your face that you like. But be very careful not to get it in your eyes. Your health is very important to us. Please do not rush. Apply gently on your face like me. Excellent. Now wait for 10 minutes and then wash your face with good water. Let's go see the live result. Dry your face and see the result. You have to experience how I feel. I can really feel my skin cleansing. You can save the video and watch it whenever you need. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.
Stop racism. We are beautiful.